Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Zoho CRM workflows for lead assignment, detailed guide step by step. First, log in to your Zoho CRM account. Navigate to the settings by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner. In the settings menu, look for the automation section. Click on workflow rules within the automation options. Choose the plus create rule button to start a new workflow. Enter a name for your workflow that clearly indicates its purpose. Select the module where you want the workflow to apply, such as leads. Under execution time, decide whether to trigger. Next, set the criteria for when the workflow should activate. Click on Add Criteria and define the conditions for lead assignment. For example, you may want to assign leads based on their source or rating. After setting the criteria, move to the Actions section. Select Instant Actions to assign leads automatically. Choose Assign Lead from the list of available actions. In the assignment settings, specify how you want leads to be assigned. You can choose to assign them to specific users or round robin among your sales team. If you choose round robin, make sure all relevant users are included in the list. Once you've set your assignment method, review your criteria and actions. Confirm that everything aligns with your lead management strategy. Finally, click the Save button to activate your workflow. Your Zoho CRM workflow for lead assignment is now configured and ready to use. Monitor the performance and adjust settings as necessary to optimize lead distribution. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.